Said balance. That's probably the most human. And then this chick approaches me and goes, I hear you're looking for the guy that I'm protecting. Like, literally the worst approach that anybody could come up with.
Of course. Oh, shit.
Manual recording will now start.
Nobody going? Okay.
One-on-one combat to the death to fill the position.
Hey man, you gonna go? No? Okay.
Dead. To be dead is better than to be without one.
Manual recording will now start.
Psychotic prison escapees. You get these weird skeleton things that are wearing these ridiculous Martian spacesuits. They're all pretty neat. And they keep...
You do not speak for me.
Manual recording will now start.
A couple more years.
Knocking out a chef to take his outfit and then using it to serve drinks directly to labor. Raised an army and made Albion as strong as he could while sacrificing the less fortunate. This is the lamest cop-out, feel-good writing that could have straight up died, but come on, what a coward, am I right? So Duncan fucking kills the guy. Alright, I gotta pause here because I initially had issues coming to terms. Very hard for them to recruit any more wardens. So yes, Duncan was within his right to kill Jordan, despite him looking to be very cruel. But I will out. I'm banking on this scary looking fuck. Either way, we now have to work our way up the tower.
Kablam.
Fighting, looting, exploring. I do have to and soon unleash the torrent of zombies which litter the castle's halls. Now I'm gonna come out and say this here. I was dead-ass convinced that this lady was
Manual
behind
recording.
all of this. What we should do with Jowan now that he's gone from potential assassin to potential savior. I tell them that they can do whatever they want with him and then fuck on off back.
Moment of truth. Oh, it made it through. It made it through the fact.
To leave. Then we head into the shop here, buy some potions, and then try to head into the back room. And the guy comes out and goes, whoa, 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 that's private property, buddy. You can't just
Manual
go back there.
recording will now start.
I'm like, yeah. Mixed with how interesting and well written they are to me. If we were going solely off of how much I like them, I'd probably have placed Morgan somewhere around the 4th or so slot.
To test the ability of these products to repair a damaged pipe, we'll be using a drill to keep the pipe in motion while we rough up the outer surface of the pipe using a
Vulnerable places in the game. But when you attach a good story to it, it doesn't need to be a different model to make you feel genuine emotion towards it that you didn't feel before. Various bits of gaming paraphernalia such as dice and chess pieces. In order to find out more info, you gotta rescue Deputy Beagle from captivity.
Oh boy, I am. However, the clan chiefs didn't just dive headfirst into agreeing to this arrangement. So what they did instead was they immediately sent...
Recreated with the voice acting and the level progression and even cutscenes, and then more things being added in, like 4-player co-op, which is something we...
At a price of $27, or almost twice as much as the Warrior, is this Lynn brand. Just
Actually,
like
no.
the Warrior, the Lynn also has a lock-on switch. The armor